All right, so let me show you what you were doing.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. You just stand there. All right, so what you were doing was when you were going back, you had a lot of hip sway to the right or back this way. And so what that causes you to do is you've got to make a huge lateral motion back up to the ball, and that causes a lot of inconsistency. That'll really cause a lot of fat shots if you hit it fat, but then that causes a lot of club face issues to where that's why you're missing one or two or three different ways.
Okay.
So I've got this alignment stick with a noodle here on the alignment disc, and so I've got it kind of a few inches away from your hip to where when you swing back, as we turn, you're going to feel your right hip kind of push yourself to bump that noodle, and that's going to put pressure on your left foot, and so that's going to center your the bottom of your arc in front of the ball to where you can hit ball first, take a divot, and that's going to lower your ball flight.
Okay.
And so we're just going to get this set up to where it's at the right spot, because we don't want it so far away because you'd be making a huge lateral shift, and that's not right. So it's just real close to you to where you almost stay against it or just barely bump it to where it looks about like that right there.
Okay.
All right, so let's see you do it. So let's do a practice swing first. You gotta get it. Yeah. So you just a little bit right there. Yeah. And so now just take it to the top. Just feel like you just kind of bump it a little bit. Just hold that position. Yeah, you feel that? So you feel that pressure in your left foot?
Mm-hmm.
So just take it to the top. Yep, and go and swing through. Go ahead and take it to the top. Yep, swing through. Perfect. All right, try that a little more. You send it over. There you go. You probably want to practice with a off a tee, or you can get your practice off a mat. It's easier to where you can just shift the noodle so much. All right, so there you go. Go ahead. Yeah. Pretty good. How'd that feel?
Yeah.
Felt it?
Yeah.
All right, cool.